Gospel of John. Don't let your heart be troubled. Put your trust in God and me. What can we gain by worry? Not even a minute of your life. Look how He feeds the birds of the air. They do not plant nor harvest. Look how the lilies grow in the field. They do not work for the beauty, and yet Solomon's clothes were as pretty as them. Oh, don't worry about your life. Where you will work, who you will love, if you survive. Our glorious God knows all the desires of your heart, so don't worry about your life. When you lie down, you won't be afraid. You'll fall asleep in perfect peace. Trust in the Lord and follow His ways. Put all your faith in Him. And surrender all the burdens you have. Oh, don't worry about your life. Where you will work, where you will live, if you survive. Our glorious God knows all the desires of our hearts. So don't worry about your life. God shows great love. He has a purpose for you. Don't worry about your life. Love is unexplainable, unimaginable. We couldn't even fathom it. How deep it goes. So don't worry about your life. Don't worry about your life.